I got a good feeling what it is. And we sure could use them. I know you guys sent this a while ago. I've been really busy. Long Island. They've been in business since the 80s. They did stuff for the World Trade Center. They got trucks going to New York City every day. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, you guys are the best. Look. Industrial threaded products. Wicked. What a cool hat. That is so cool. Another hat. Look, I'm wearing a hat right now. This, look, I wore it right out. Here's their business card. Sweet. Here we go. Vic. Keep up the good work. Love you, Zach. Zach, man, wicked. That's so cool. Look, he gave me the notepads, the pencils, the pens. That's so cool. Ah, yeah, winter hats. Sweet. I love the winter hats. Look at that. That's so cool, man. No way. A hoodie. Oh, yeah, just in time for winter. Look, nice American flag on there. Good deal. I don't know where he gets these he's made up here. They're really nice quality. Zach, that is so cool. Oh, it's a zipper down hoodie. That is awesome, man. Just in time for fall. We're about a month out for fall here. We'll be all set. And another shirt. Zach, wicked, man. Johnny, you guys are the best. I swear, look at that. ITPNY. Industrial Threaded Products. Thank you, boys. How about this package? Look at the tape they got on this thing. Zach, this thing's phenomenal. Look at this. It's battle proof. Hey, sending them down in the New York City, you guys got to pack stuff really good. You're going to find this package full of some Vicks gear. That's what's next. I got to send you some of my stuff next. How cool. I'm trying out this camera. This is really for hunting, this camera. I'm going to give it a whirl. Look, I got one of your hats on in your shirt today. Look, I wore it out. It's totally soaked. Just did that prep at that driveway. Zach, thank you, man. Really appreciate it. Sorry I didn't get on it right away, but I know my back's going to be hurting tomorrow, and I'll get this thing up for you. Sweet. Thank you, man.